I'm Martin Smith and this is your MaxiForex Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. The euro increased against the US dollar for the fifth day, which is the longest streak in 3 months, after it was reported that Greece is close to coming to an agreement with its creditors. Greece and its private creditors indicated that they expect to accomplish a debt swap agreement in the coming week. The euro was also supported after Italy sold bills, strengthening efforts of the European Central Bank to fight the debt crisis by shoring up banks. The market is focused on whether Greece will secure its next aid package. Last Friday, the euro was trading at the level of 132.17, an increase of 0.83%. The British pound rose against the US dollar on speculation that Greece is closer to a debt swap deal and with weaker than anticipated data about the American GDP. Data indicated that the economy of the USA grew by 2.8% during the fourth quarter of 2011, lower than the estimated 3%. The British pound was last seen trading at 157.21, an increase of 0.21%. The Canadian dollar climbed for a third week against the US dollar on gains in commodities after a Fed undertook to extend its freeze on US interest rates. The Canadian dollar was last seen trading at 100.17, an increase of 0.01%. Commodities now, gold traders have been bullish for a fourth consecutive week on speculation that the pledge from the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates low until late 2014 will extend gains in the precious metal. Lower interest rates can lead to an increase in the appeal of gold bullion because it generally earns only through price gains. Gold was last trading at 1738.32 an ounce, which is an increase of 1.05%. Oil prices climbed this week on signs that Greece is nearing an accord with its creditors and on uncertainty whether tensions with Iran might disrupt oil supplies. Iran threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz after the European Union announced it will enforce an oil embargo on the 1st of July to increase pressure over its nuclear program. Crude oil was last trading at 99.56, which is a decrease of minus 0.14%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.